Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
We are fine, thank you.
Today I want to talk about English.
Yes, teacher.
Who likes learning English?
I like English, teacher,
Very good. Why do you like it?
because I can speak with people.
Excellent. Who finds English difficult?
I find it a little hard.
That's okay. English can be difficult at first.
Thank you, teacher.
What do you like in English?
I like reading stories.
Good. Stories are fun. Do you like writing in English?
Yes, I like writing words.
Very good. Do you like listening in English?
I like listening to songs.
Wonderful. Songs help you learn. How do you practice English at home?
I read books and watch videos.
Excellent.
I speak with my friends.
Very good. Speaking is important. Who wants to try a short conversation in English?
I do.
Okay, go ahead.
Hello, how are you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am fine too.
Very good. You are speaking English very well.
Thank you, teacher.
Remember, practice every day.
We will, teacher.
I am proud of you.
Thank you, teacher. I am late for work.
Hurry, take a taxi.
I don't have time to wait.
The taxi is outside now.
Okay, I will go.
Did you take your bag?
Oh no, I forgot it.
Take it quickly.
I have my wallet.
Good. Don't forget your phone.
Here it is.
Everything is ready.
I will call the taxi.
Be careful on the street.
Yes, Mom.
Drive safely.
The taxi is coming.
Open the door for the driver.
Okay. Hello, sir.
Hello, where to?
Please go to my office.
Sure, hop in.
Thank you.
Did you take your coat?
Yes, I have it.
Good. It is cold outside.
I will wear my scarf too.
Be careful in the traffic.
Yes, I will.
Don't forget to eat breakfast later.
I will, Mom.
Call me when you arrive.
I will, Mom.
Good luck at work today.
Thank you.
You will be fine.
I hope so.
Take a deep breath.
I feel better now.
I am proud of you.
Thank you, Mom.
I am happy today.
Really? Why are you happy?
I got a new job.
That's amazing. Congratulations.
Thank you, Jack.
Where will you work?
I will work in a school.
Oh, that's nice. What will you do there?
I will be an English teacher.
Wow, that's a great job.
Yes, I'm very excited.
When do you start?
I start on Monday.
That's so soon.
Yes, I must prepare everything.
Do you feel nervous?
A little, but I'm also happy.
Don't worry, you will do well.
Thank you, I hope so.
Do you need new clothes for work?
Yes, I need to buy some.
Let's go shopping together.
That's a great idea.
Do you also need books?
Yes, I must buy some English books.
I can help you choose.
That would be very nice.
How far is the school?
It's close to my house.
Oh, then you can walk.
Yes, walking is easy.
Will you meet your students soon?
Yes, on the first day.
I think they will like you.
I hope they do.
You are kind and patient.
Thank you, Jack.
Do you feel proud of yourself?
Yes, very proud.
You should be. It's a big step.
Yes, a new chapter in my life.
Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning!